Okay, we have four students, A, B, C, D. This is one side of the street, and this is the road, and this is the other side of the street. Okay, and the distance from A to B is 200. This angle here is 31, 25. From B to S. Okay, so what? Okay, we're trying to find the distance between C to D. Now, if it is exactly the way I've drawn in the picture, this distance should be 200. But they didn't tell us it's parallel like this. So it could be more like this, like slanted, right? Maybe it's actually like this. Okay, so that's the difference. We don't know if it's parallel. So even though it's directly across, right? Directly across, the angle might be like even this width and this width might be different. But we do know that from B to D is 90 degrees. This to this is 90 degrees, except, D could be like actually out here. That's actually the difference, the big difference. Could be out there. Just to exaggerate the picture a little bit. So what makes two lines parallel is actually these two that's parallel. Okay. So, like this angle here and this angle here will be the same, right? And that angle here, and so this and this is actually a similar triangle, but these two are not. Okay, anyway, this is 90, so this must be, right, 60, 65, which makes this 65, right? If this is 31, this must be 59, right, 59, which makes this 59 too. And this angle here is the sum of these two, so that's 56. Okay, so those are the angles. I can find this angle too. This will be 120, like 124. Like our ultimate goal is to find this. Okay. But I can't find it right now. I don't have enough information. Maybe, and wouldn't it be nice if I just knew this side and maybe one of these angles here? Then we can use a sine law to find it. Okay, but what side can I find? Well, from this right angle triangle, I can find, let's call this A, and I can find this too, B. Like A over 200. A over 200 is going to equal to tangent of 25. So I can certainly find A. B over 200 is a tangent of 31. Okay, once I know A, I can actually find, let's call this here C. I can find C. Okay, using sine law. C over sine of, right, 59 is going to equal to A over sine of 56. So A is, right, 200 tangent of 25 over sine of 56. Okay, so it's going to be 200 times by sine of 59 all over sine of 56. So I can certainly find C. Okay. Okay, if I find C, I can't find this angle though. Okay, let's call this here D. Okay, I can find D though. Right? D over, in this triangle, sine of 65 is going to equal to B, which I found right here, 200 tangent of 31 over sine of 56. Okay, so I can find C, I can find D. So I have a side, angle side. So I can now finally find x using the cosine law. Right? Side angle side is a cosine law. So x squared is going to equal to c squared d squared minus 2cd. Right? And then cosine of 124. Okay, so these are the decimal values for C and D. I'm just gonna plug it in here and square root it, okay? So you should punch that in the calculator yourself. Okay, so I get 195.3 meters approximately. So that's the distance between C to D.